Everybody, welcome to Login Joins. So this video you will learn how to fix add music option not showing on Instagram post. So first and foremost, make sure that Instagram application is up to date. Open your Play Store and type in Instagram. So as you can see, my Instagram is up to date. So the first step we passed. The second step would be opening settings. And let's go to apps. Here search for Instagram. Go to storage. Clear the cache, not the data, but the cache. And once you have cleared the cache, if your problem is still not solved, then open your Instagram application. Onto your profile section, go to the street bar icon, and here to settings. Here go to the help option. Go to report a problem. Tap on include and continue. Explain what has happened. So I wrote this in my case and tap send. And you will get the result in a couple days. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching. Follow Login Joins.